Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can use Bybit 20 USDT coupon. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So at the moment, there's a current promotion going on with Bybit where you can actually claim a 20 USDT coupon. So to do this, open up your preferred browser and all you need to do is simply register for a new account. As you can see here, I am on the bybit.com. Here you can sign up using email or Google. So sign up according to your preference. Once you have signed in, it will bring you to the new page and a pop-up will appear on your screen where it says claim your rewards now. So click on this and you will be brought to this page. Here you will see your 20 USDT welcome reward and click on claim. And as you can see, we've got our 20 USDT token. So we can press on to use, and then we can use this to do things like, for example, buy crypto or something like that. So to use this, come to right side and click on this order by quantity. A pop-up will appear on your screen. Inside it, select order by value. Now enter the amount that you want to use. For example, I want to use 10 USDT. And then you just have to click on this buy long button and you are good to go. So that's basically how you can use Bybit 20 USDT coupon. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.